So many people are not concerned about their audio, they are just always concerned about their video quality. But did you know that if your video is looking all good, all fly, and then the audio is not good, you are likely not to get traction on that video. But if your video has great audio quality, but the video quality is not that great, it's still possible that you would have great traction on that video. While you're working on your video quality, it is also important you work on your audio quality. There are so many microphones you can use. You see this one, this particular one, it was the first microphone I used when I started content creation. Before I then started using this particular one. Microphones are not expensive. You can invest in them. But you need to also know that after recording, you didn't use a microphone. There are other ways you can use to improve your audio, and I'm going to show you right now. My go-to app for audio enhancement is CapCut. When you have your video imported to CapCut and the audio quality is not good, what you want to do is to click on the video and then use the reduce noise option. This reduce noise will help you to take away the noise totally. However, there's another paid version that allows you to enhance your voice. But note that this is a pro version. If you don't have CapCut Pro, you will not be able to use this particular feature. Apart from that, there are other ones you can use. You can use Adobe Podcast, Adobe Premiere Pro. All of these tools can help you to improve your audio quality. And that is how you enhance your audio even when you don't have a microphone. I hope you found this useful. Do not forget to share this video with somebody. Until next time, bye bye.